For those of you who want to trade calmly but still aim to make a profit, this scalping strategy is the answer. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. Without the need to analyze multiple charts or complicated indicators, you can make quick and accurate trading decisions. This scalping strategy is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Moreover, this strategy is highly flexible and can be applied across various markets, from gold or XAU/USD, forex, crypto, to stocks. Not only is it perfect for scalping, but you can also use this strategy on almost any time frame. That's why, besides being ideal for scalping, this strategy is also effective for day trading, intraday, and even swing trading. Stay with us until the end, and make sure you support this channel by liking and subscribing. Let's get started. To use this scalping strategy, you can start by going to TradingView. In this example, we'll apply this scalping strategy on a 15-minute gold chart. First, set the pair to XAU/USD. Next, adjust the time frame to 15 minutes. Now, let's add the first indicator we'll be using. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type in Range Filter Buy and Sell 5 minutes. Then, select the Range Filter Buy and Sell 5-minute indicator from this creator. After that, open the Indicator Settings tab. In the Input tab, change the range multiplier value to 5. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the box for bar color. Then, customize the indicator colors according to your preferences. Once done, simply click OK to save the changes. The Range Filter Buy and Sell 5-minute indicator will be used as the entry trigger and as a guide for placing stop losses in the market. To use this indicator, all you need to do is follow the signals it provides. To achieve the best results, you can add one more indicator that will serve as a trend guide in the market. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type in Trend Alert. Then, select the Trend Alert indicator from this creator. Next, adjust the settings for the Trend Alert indicator. In the Input tab, change the Rest MT setting to 1 hour. After that, go to the Style tab. To keep it consistent, change the Trend Alert style to Step Line with breaks. Then, customize the color and line thickness according to your preferences. Once done, simply click OK to save the changes. The Trend Alert indicator will be used as a trend filter in the market. If the Trend Alert line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. If the Trend Alert line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. If the Trend Alert line is gray, it means no dominant trend is present in the market. In this situation, we recommend avoiding any market entries. To explain further, let's discuss how to place buy and sell entries using this scalping strategy. How to place a buy entry. If a buy signal appears from the range filter indicator, you must confirm that it is a valid buy signal before placing a buy entry. Ensure the Trend Alert indicator also confirms a bullish trend. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, place a buy entry after the bullish candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the low target line. Use a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2 for your take-profit target. How to place a sell entry. If a sell signal appears from the range filter indicator, you must confirm that it is a valid sell signal before placing a sell entry. Ensure the trend alert indicator also confirms a bearish trend. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, place a sell entry after the bearish candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the high target line. Use a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:2 for your take-profit target. How to place a sell entry. If a sell signal appears from the range filter indicator, you must confirm that it is a valid sell signal before placing a sell entry. Ensure the trend alert indicator also confirms a bearish trend. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, place a sell entry after the bearish candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the high target line. Use a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:2 for your take-profit target. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no trading strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.